Want to add a video to a YouTube playlist from your PC? This video gets straight to the point and shows you exactly how to do it. If this video helps you, please consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. For extra support, you can also join the channel membership. First, you will need to open a web browser on your computer and go to youtube.com to find the video you want to add. Once you find the video, click on it to open the video player and start watching. Below the video player, look for the three-dot menu and click it. From the menu, click the Save button. When you click the Save button, a small menu will appear on the side of the screen with your existing playlists. From this menu, you can simply click the checkbox next to the playlist where you want to add the video. If you want to add the video to a new playlist, you can also select the Create New Playlist option from this menu. And that's how you can add a video to a YouTube playlist on PC, organizing your favorite content for easy access. For more short and concise videos, subscribe to the channel and don't forget to leave a like and a comment.